Why don't seniors play hide and seek with the best toilets? Because good luck hiding when they are always seeking the restroom. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on best toilets for seniors. Tip 1. Select a comfort height toilet. Comfort height toilets, also known as ADA compliant toilets, are slightly taller than standard models. They typically have a seat height of 17-19 inches, similar to a regular chair, so seniors can sit and stand more effortlessly without putting too much strain on their knees and hips. Go for the height that feels the most comfortable for the user. Tip 2. Consider a toilet with an integrated bidet. Toilets with integrated bidets can be a great help for seniors, especially for those with mobility issues that affect their ability to clean themselves adequately. These units usually offer a range of washing and drying options, ensuring proper hygiene and reducing the risk of infections or skin irritations. Tip 3. Choose a toilet with a soft close seat. A soft close seat helps prevent the toilet lid from slamming shut, reducing noise and possible damage. Plus, seniors won't need to bend or use a lot of force to close the toilet seat, lowering the risk of back strain or falling. Tip 4. Consider a wall-hung toilet. Wall-hung toilets can be mounted at a customized height, offering flexibility for seniors. In addition, they are easier to clean around and can provide more legroom for individuals in wheelchairs. Tip 5. Look for toilets with easy-to-use flush controls. For seniors with arthritis or other hand impairments, consider toilets with large, easy-to-use flush controls. Some models offer push-button or touchless flushing, which can be easier on the hands and reduce the spread of germs. Tip 6. Select a toilet with a high-gloss finish. Toilets with high-gloss finishes are easier to clean and can help inhibit the growth of bacteria, mold, and mildew. This feature can minimize the cleaning effort required, an important factor for seniors with limited mobility or energy. Tip 7. Choose a toilet with good bowl design. A toilet with a well-designed bowl can help reduce splashing and improve flushing efficiency. Moreover, elongated bowls offer more sitting comfort compared to round bowls, especially for male users. Tip 8. Pay attention to the lighting. Install enough lighting in the bathroom and above the toilet area. This ensures that seniors can safely use the toilet, even in the middle of the night. Automatic sensor lights can be particularly helpful. Tip 9. Install supportive rails or bars. Installing rails or bars near the toilet helps seniors to safely sit down, stand up, or balance while using the toilet. Ensure these bars are securely fastened to withstand body weight. Tip 10. Consider incorporating anti-slip flooring. Slippery floors are dangerous for seniors, especially in the bathroom. With anti-slip flooring, the likelihood of accidents occurring as seniors move to and from the toilet can be dramatically reduced. Tip 11. Invest in routine maintenance. Regular maintenance can prevent the toilet from becoming blocked or leaking, which could result in an unpleasant or even dangerous situation for seniors. It's important to check and maintain all bathroom fixtures regularly to ensure their functionality and safety.